Hey, you wanna learn? Stop it, Yoinglish. But before I start, I would like everyone to subscribe my channel and stay with me because if you subscribe, I get the motivations, man. I'm giving you something. No, I'm not giving you something, but at least you give me something, man. Just be the donor. Yo, guys, I hope everyone's fine. So, as always, I'm in the office. So, I thought of sharing some quick tips to you, and let's see what I've got for you, man. So, I'm gonna share the benefits you'll get if you learn English. If you could speak like other people they do, frequently, fluent with fluency. So, what the benefits you are getting from that in the future? You're gonna get huge benefits, let me just share from my experience. When I was in college, I used to speak English, but that was broken. But still, I was kind of different than others. I had the enthusiasm, I had that motivation, even though I couldn't speak properly, but I had that. So that differentiated me from other. So people used to know me, my teachers, my whole college, they used to know me. They would just mock, some people would mock, but still some people would appreciate me that I have that, inertia. I have broken that inertia. Anyway, so the most important thing you're gonna get is that you will get extra edge in your job life. When you know English, if you can speak that, it can get you multinational job, international job, uh, anything. Anything you desire, you can be anything when you learn English. It's not that you have learned English so you get any job. It's not that. But what happened actually, people have that skills, they have that marks, GPA, but actually they don't have that something that company require. So maybe English is something that you'll get the edge with. So, and another thing is that the whole earth, the whole countries, run with English. So if you know that, whatever the news is coming from, it comes with English language. So if you know English, you understand everything there is going on, in Russia, in USA, in UK, in Australia, wherever. Even in Bangladesh, uh, the whole conversation is in English. When suppose it's going to international level, so you, if you know that English, so you get that, they get to the point directly. And third, when you know English, when you can speak that, it boosts up your confidence. Suddenly you're just a different man. When you walk through ordinary people, you walk through a restaurant, you walk through somewhere, if you have that, accent, if you have that fluency, if you just use that, people will take you for with different values. They won't take you for granted. It happens to me, man. Just trust me. Well, I have that different attitude. Your attitude will be different, man. You'll just oh, hey, can you just help me with that? Now, when I go to metro rails, I don't speak Bangla to the counter, the people who are in the counter. Yeah, because it's not that I'm showing that I can speak English. It's really not like that. I just want to show them that yes, in Bangladesh we speak English, and it's normal. And they don't give me weird expression, because when I speak, I don't let them feel that I can speak. I'm faking that. No, they think that, oh well, I do speak. They think that I'm from outside sometimes. They reply also in English. Yeah, I do that when I go to restaurants. When the restaurant is good, expensive, I speak English. It's not that I'm showing them. It's just that I want to show them that Bangladesh is not left behind. So, and you. So you will be also not left behind. You speak that, and there are some many others benefits. So you can get that. So this is just some quick tips for you, man. Anyway, so just be with me. Let me come some other day. Bye.